Go to RiceDrive.com and log in using your email and a verification code. Step 1. Connect your PikPak to RiceDrive. Before adding PikPak, you need to enable WebDAV on the official website. Go to mypikpak.com, log into your PikPak account, /nan, then go to the settings page to enable the WebDAV feature. Copy the server host, username, and password, then paste them into the matching fields in RiceDrive. Make sure the host address includes https:// and the port number, for example, https:// your domain port. PikPak is now successfully connected to RiceDrive. View your added cloud storage on the My Drives page. Step 2. Connect your MEGA account to RiceDrive. Enter your MEGA account and password, then click the Connect button. MEGA is now successfully connected to RiceDrive. Both MEGA and PikPak have been successfully connected to RiceDrive. Step 3. Create a transfer task from PikPak to MEGA. Select the file or folder you want to transfer from PikPak. Select a folder in MEGA to store files transferred from PikPak. In the Settings options, you can configure filter conditions and define how to handle existing files. In the Schedule settings, you can set up a daily or weekly plan. Click the Start button to create and execute the transfer task. The task has started. You can close the web page and focus on other work. RiceDrive will continue running in the background. The task has been completed successfully. Please check the logs to confirm that all files have been transferred successfully. The folder has been successfully transferred from PikPak to MEGA. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, / and please leave a comment, and I will be happy to respond.